Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to upload files with Appwrite Storage step by step. Appwrite Storage lets you securely upload, organize, and manage files such as images, documents, videos, and other assets for your web or mobile applications. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appwrite dashboard and open the project where you want to store files. Once you're inside the project, click Storage from the left-hand menu. Next, create a bucket if you haven't already. Click Create Bucket, give it a descriptive name, configure the required permissions, and save your settings. Buckets help you organize files and control who can access them. After your bucket is ready, open it and click Upload File if you're testing directly from the dashboard. You can browse your computer, select the file you want to upload, and wait for the upload process to finish. Once it's complete, the file will appear in the bucket. If you're building an application, install the Appwrite SDK and connect it using your endpoint URL and project ID. Then use the Storage API to upload files programmatically from your web or mobile app. You can also retrieve file IDs, generate previews, download files, or delete them whenever necessary. Finally, verify that your uploaded file appears in the bucket and confirm that the bucket permissions allow the intended users or applications to access it securely. And that's it. You now know how to upload files with Appwrite Storage and manage application assets using Appwrite's built-in cloud storage features. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next